first off, you're going to take the measurement of your quilt and you add up all 4 sides together. Pretend that the quilt is 60 inches by 72. So if I were to add up all 4 sides, we're gonna do 60 plus 60 plus 72 plus 72. 264 inches? All right, so 264 inches. Now, I'm going to add the number 10 to it. That's how many inches we need to have to get around the quilt. So we're gonna take the total number of inches and divide it by 40. What number does that give us?
6.85.
6.85. So if we round it up, we've got 7 strips. 7 strips, folks.